Hey guys, Charlie with Adler Restoration here. Here we're at another water loss in the Porter Neck area of Wilmington, North Carolina. What actually ended up happening here was a small supply line from a toilet upstairs. As you can tell, immense amounts of damage. We actually ended up affecting a bamboo glued down hardwood. One of the benefits to giving Adler Restoration a call is we now have in-house cabinets and flooring to help expedite this claim to get it back on your feet and back in your home. You know, here in 2021, we have long wait times for cabinets and flooring, and we found a different supply line and solution to help service our customers. As you see behind me is a large dust barrier going to the living room. We go through large extents to try to keep the dust factor down in your home. If you ever have a water loss, keep Adler Restoration in mind and give us a call at 910-632-0074.